Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The length of AC is equal to C double bond is influenced by the degree of substitution, hyperconjugation and steric electronic effects, and the hybridization-related bond character. More alkyl substituents on the doubly bonded carbons increase electron density via hyperconjugation, but more importantly, increased substitution causes greater steric repulsion and also increases the S-character contribution considerations. However, the dominant effect here is that greater alkyl substitution around the double bond leads to more hyperconjugative electron donation into the pi bond, which slightly weakens and thus lengthens the pi bond. Additionally, with more substituents, the C is equal to C bond acquires more single bond character due to increased hyperconjugation from the attached alkyl groups, elongating the bond. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substitution pattern around the C is equal to C in each compound. A. CH3, CH is equal to CH2, propene 1-methyl substituent on the double bond carbons, monosubstituted alkene. B. CH3, CH is equal to CH, CH3, to butene 2-methyl substituents, disubstituted alkene. C. CH3, C, CH3, is equal to C, CH3, CH3, 2, 3-dimethyl, 2-butene 4-methyl substituents, tetrasubstituted alkene. D. CH2 is equal to CH2, ethene no substituents, unsubstituted alkene. Moving on to the next step. Apply the principle. As the number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbons increases, hyperconjugation increases, donating more electron density and causing slight bond elongation. The tetrasubstituted alkene, option C, has the maximum number of alkyl groups, 4 methyl groups, around the double bond. And for the final step, rank bond lengths. Ethene, D, propene, A, 2-butene, B, 2,3-dimethyl, 2-butene, C. Thus, option C has the longest C is equal to C double bond. Why other options fail? D. Ethene has no alkyl substituents, so minimal hyperconjugation and shortest C is equal to C bond. A. Propene has only one alkyl substituent, slightly longer than ethene but shorter than D or tetrasubstituted. B. 2-butene has two alkyl substituents, longer than A and D but shorter than C. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.